Alright, so here's my mini bike. It goes over 50 miles per hour, 51 to be exact. It's got 6.5 horsepower, 200cc engine. It's the stock. This engine is completely stock. It is not ungoverned, no fancy exhaust, no intake modifications, no carb jetting, nothing. That clutch is like 5 years old. It's pretty worn out. All I did was I took off the stock gear reduction and put chain all the way around there. And I'm going to fire it up and show you. This thing's about 4 or 5 years old. I got it when it was new. But yes, it goes fast. So I'm going to take her up and back and you will see. So there you have it. If you want to see me GPS this thing, I will. If you don't believe me how fast it goes. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.